today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this kit from Amazon. The brand is Gellen and this is another Gelx tube. I purchased this kit at a discounted price, so let's go ahead and unwrap it so I can show you exactly what is included. So we have instructions for the mini UV lamp and for the nail tips application step by step, as you can see here, guys. Very colorful, very detailed explanation. That's very nice. Next we have a nail tip clipper. It's very cute, pinky. And I was needing one. Mine was broken already, so I was about to purchase one. And the next item I see here is a nail clip. I see this being used in polygel nails when people use dual forms. I'm not sure if it's gonna work in this case, but I'm gonna give it a try. Next we have the actual gel glue. This is a 15 ml bottle. It's a pretty big bottle compared to other kits that include like a 10 ml or an 8 ml. It's not enough. And especially if you have a pack of 500 nail tips. I like the consistency. As I can see here, it's not too thick or not too loose. Not bad. I'm happy about that. And the next item is the mini UV lamp. It's included on a standard USB cable. And I'm gonna go ahead and test this lamp for you guys. This is a very cute design. I like it because you have a lot of space to put your nail. It's pretty similar to the Beatles lamp design, the Beatles Gelx tube. I reviewed that one on my channel as well. I plugged the lamp and I'm trying to switch it on and off, but it's not working. I'm pushing the button, guys, and I'm trying to make sure the cable is plugged properly. I'm trying everything. I even removed my glove because I thought that maybe my glove was blocking the contact. I checked the manual, I look at all the instructions, and I don't see anything here that could indicate that I was using the lamp wrong, so the lamp is not working. So I'm just gonna put it to one side and use my own lamp. I have a Gooseneck lamp from Amazon and I'm gonna show you guys. They are included as well in a standard nail file, 100-180, and these are the nail tips. It's over 500 nail tips in here, sizes 0 to 11. They come on strips. That's very handy when you're looking for your sizes. And I was struggling to open this container. This unboxing wasn't going as planned. But I managed to open the container. I just had to push it a little bit with my scissor. As you can see here, it's just a different type of closure, so I just managed to open it and that's it. It wasn't too bad. And the nail tips are actually cute. I chose the short square ones, but Gellen has different, the same kit has different nails that you can choose from on Amazon, different shapes. But I went for the square one because the square one is cute and I always like it. So finally I opened the container. Sometimes not everything goes as planned, guys, but we just had to get through it. And these are the nail tips. They feel like gel, but they are not gel. But I like them, they are so nice. The shape is cute. And as you can see, it's very easy to choose your sizes when you have the nails on a strip. This is the lamp I'm gonna be using today to apply my nails. This is a Gooseneck UV lamp. It's a clip-on, so it's very easy to attach anywhere on your table. And I'm gonna be leaving the link for you guys on the description box below. I'm picking up my sizes right now, guys, and I like to make sure that they fit me properly from side wall to side wall, and that will be the widest part of my nail. As well, I like to customize my nail tips around the cuticle area for a better finish. And if I'm between sizes, I like to go for the bigger size and customize it with a nail file, because if I go for the smaller size, it's gonna give me issues like popping off before time. And the first step is to buff the shine from my natural nails, but I'm not gonna be doing that because my nails are already pre-buffed from the previous set. And this is primer and dehydrator. You can add this to your routine, but I'm gonna skip this step today because I'm gonna be using a peel-off base gel from Makartt. You can use in place of the dehydrator 100% acetone as well. It works very well. And this peel-off base gel needs curing, so I'm going to apply it and cure it for 30 seconds. And this is how my nails are looking right now. Next, I'm going to start the application of the nail tips. I'm going to be using the primer to pre-etch the inside of the nail tip. You can do as well this with a nail file or a nail drill if you have one. But this way you can avoid all the dust of filing the inside of the nail tip. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a small amount of the gel glue inside the nail tip. Lower it at 45-degree angle near the cuticle area, making sure I don't have any bubbles in there, and flash cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm trying that clip that is included in this kit because they included, so let's try it. And I didn't like it because all the gel was coming out of the cuticle area. In this case, this clip is not good for this kit. As you can see here, I made a mess, so I have to remove the nail, clean all the mess that the clip made, and reapply the nail, because in this case, these nail tips have to be pressed a little bit more towards the cuticle area to avoid any spillage. And that's what happened here, so I just have to clean up the whole nail and start all over again. Another thing that I like to do, guys, is just to flash cure the nails for about 5 seconds and then go ahead with a brush and clean any spillage with alcohol. In this way, it's easier to remove before it's completely cured. I'm gonna cure for a few extra seconds to secure the nails. Repeat the same step for all my nails, and here are all the nails already applied. I'm gonna add an extra minute under my bigger UV lamp. And the next step is gonna be filing and reshaping. I'm gonna go around the cuticle area and the free edge to get the nails ready for base gel. Once I'm done with the filing, guys, I'm gonna apply some more primer around the cuticle area and the side walls. This is gonna melt the nail tip a little bit, and it's gonna make it blend better with my natural nail. It's gonna give a better finish overall. I cured the base gel for 30 seconds and I'm gonna continue with this beautiful color from Born Pretty. It's a nude color and I love it so much, it's so cute. So I'm gonna be applying 2 coats of this gel polish and cure each layer for 30 seconds. These are the nails after 2 coats, and next I'm gonna be using a glitter from Born Pretty as well. I'm gonna be creating an ombre. This is a very easy design to do at home. I purchased this ombre brush from Gellen. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna be making an ombre here, just moving the glitter slowly backwards towards near the cuticle area. And I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. This is a top coat from Born Pretty as well. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and I'll be right back with you guys with the final result for today. And this is it for today, guys. Besides the mini UV lamp not working, the kit is not too bad. And I purchased it at a very discounted price. I'm not sure if they are trying to get rid of some items. But even just for the items that did work, the price was worth it for me. I just want to say thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video. Like, comment and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.
Llegaste a mí con amor libre y sincero. Lo que yo siento es verdadero amor por ti. Cada día tu amor me da felicidad y despierta cosas que nunca sentí jamás. Creo que nunca entenderás lo que siento por ti, lo que siento por ti, lo que siento por ti.